Most business owners are underusing GPT. Here's how to fix it. You've heard about GPT. Maybe you've even played around with it. But if you're a business owner and you're only using it for basic writing prompts or summaries, you're leaving real money and serious time on the table. I'll show you 5 high-impact ways smart businesses are using ChatGPT right now, plus how to build real systems around ChatGPT that save your time and help your business grow. Hi, I'm Joey, founder of Sage AI Solutions. We build custom GPT tools that help small businesses, nonprofits, and creative teams work smarter. Let's dive into what's actually working for business owners right now. 1. Onboarding new employees. Hiring a new team member? ChatGPT can walk them through your entire onboarding process, step by step. Instead of dumping a bunch of PDFs or slides on a new hire, you can give them an interactive AI guide that answers their questions, explains your policies, and even links to training materials or contains training materials. It cuts onboarding time, boosts consistency, and makes your team look organized from day one. And yes, this works even if you don't have a big HR team. 2. Internal team training and knowledge base. Think of ChatGPT like your internal operations coach. Your team can ask it, how do I submit an invoice? Or what's our social media style guide? Or what should I say to a customer who's upset? It becomes a living, searchable knowledge base, trained on your business. And best of all, it answers instantly, 24/7. No Slack ping required. 3. Website assistant. This one's huge. Most business websites are stuck in 2015, offering a contact form and maybe an FAQ. Now, imagine someone lands on your site and gets their questions answered right away. Do you offer shipping? How can I schedule a consultation? Can you help with X specific question? A GT-powered website assistant can handle that. It works like a friendly team member, guiding your visitors and freeing you up to focus on actual clients. 4. Strategic planning support. Whether you're growing fast or feeling stuck, ChatGPT can help you think more clearly. You can build a planning assistant that helps you set quarterly goals, break big projects into steps, and prioritize what actually matters. Our own clients use tools like this to get focused fast, without spending hours stuck in planning mode. 5. Content support you can actually use. Content creation is where most people start with ChatGPT. But here's the key. If you train it on your own tone, your own process, and your past content, it becomes your brand voice on tap. Whether you're writing social media posts, email responses, or product descriptions, a well-trained GPT can save hours while keeping your message totally on brand. Which of these 5 would help your business the most right now? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to explore one of these tools for your own business, visit sageaisolutions.com. We've got demos, tips, and examples ready to go. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check out this next video. Chatbots are dead, why assistants are the future. Thanks for watching, and keep building smarter.